Go ape, unleashing the meaning. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, go ape. It's a quirky and interesting expression in the English language. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Go ape is a slang expression that dates back several decades. Its origin isn't precisely pinned down, but it's believed to be influenced by the behavior of apes, energetic, wild, and sometimes unpredictable. When we think of an ape getting excited or agitated, we can easily visualize a burst of energy or even a little chaos. The phrase, go ape, draws from this imagery. So, what does it mean when someone says, go ape? Essentially, to go ape means 1. To become extremely excited or enthusiastic about something. Example, when Tim saw the new gaming console, he went ape. 2. To become very angry or lose one's temper. Example, my boss went ape when he found out about the error in the report. The context in which the phrase is used will help determine whether it means someone is excited in a positive way or angry in a negative way. 1. It's informal. Remember, go ape is a slang expression. It's best suited for casual conversations, and you might want to avoid using it in formal situations or official documents. 2. Context is king. As mentioned earlier, the meaning can change based on context. Make sure the situation makes it clear whether you're talking about excitement or anger. 3. Play with variations. You can also use variations of the phrase like, going ape, or went ape, depending on the tense and context of your conversation. And there we have it. The phrase, go ape, is a fun and colorful way to describe someone's burst of emotion, whether it's sheer excitement or a sudden flare-up of anger. We hope you enjoyed exploring this expression with us. Remember, language is always evolving and adapting, and understanding slang can be a great way to stay connected and sound natural in conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.